Thinking about stepping up your content game or just starting out in photography, but overwhelmed by all the camera options? Today, we're looking at why the Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless camera is making waves, especially for beginners and content creators. Right off the bat, its compact size is a huge win for lugging around bulky gear. The R50 is designed to be your go-anywhere creative companion. But don't let its size fool you, it's incredibly user-friendly. Canon has nailed the interface, making it super intuitive, even if you've never picked up a dedicated camera before. And for all you content creators, the autofocus system is a game-changer. It's fast, accurate, and it keeps your subject sharp, whether you're shooting videos or stills. While best is always subjective in the camera world, the R50 consistently punches above its weight, offering impressive features for its price. It strikes a fantastic balance between performance and portability, making it incredibly competitive for anyone looking to create high-quality content without breaking the bank or their back. So, if you're searching for a capable mirrorless camera that's easy to use and delivers great results, the Canon EOS R50 should definitely be on your shortlist.